Look around the sky. You see a bunch of clouds. When it's nighttime, you see the stars. So how about we will fly together? So basically, you solved that, right? So let's get the first person. So this is Walker. It's basically Talker, but it has my face on it. So this is how he sounds like. Look around the skies. You see a bunch of clouds. When it's nighttime. Let me show you. Let me put this over there. Let's get the other one. So I basically got I basically got this guy with a guy that's humming, so it can sound like this. Oh my lord! Where do I put this right here? I guess. Yeah, right there. Okay, now let me show you the other one. So this is the third character. This is how he sounds like. Pretty cool, right? Let's get the next one. So this is the next one. Pretty nice, pretty nice. So yeah, that's how they sounded like. Before I go, I want to tell you guys something. Yeah.